paparazzi has gone too far. Didn't they learn a lesson before? Let's talk about this. Hello everybody, hi, it's me, Dee Sparta. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are really doing well. I really am. You know, just be strong. Life can throw a curveball at you, and boy have I been getting some, but I'm on top of this shit, let me tell you. But we're going to talk about, if you're new to this channel, please, let me know what you think. Comment down below what readings you want to see, what your thoughts are on the video. Hit the thumbs up, please. Subscribe also if you haven't already. Or, this is weird, but some people were getting unsubscribed from my channel. And I was noticing weird numbers. And so I don't know what YouTube's doing or why this happened. So double check to make sure you're still subscribed, because apparently, I've seen other YouTubers talk about this and I was like, that's odd. And then it's happening to me and I'm like, whoa, okay. This is not cool. Anyway, folks, let's get into this. We talking about Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, his wife. Like, wow. They are probably, I can't imagine. Harry's mother, Princess Diana, she was killed in a car wreck that involved the paparazzi chasing them. And it's been alluded that maybe this accident was on purpose, was provoked. I don't know. And then, guess what happened to the Duke and Duchess of Sussex? Let me see here. According to an article of CNN, it says they were involved in a chaotic car chase with paparazzi on Tuesday night. What alarms me the most, and I'm so glad that no one was hurt or injured, but it says this: they were pursued by photographers after leaving the Women of Vision Awards at the city's Ziegfeld Ballroom, and there was a convoy, and Meghan's mother was also with them. The couple left. And that's when the chase went on. Police have said numerous photographers had made their transport challenging, but that there were no reported collisions, injuries, or arrests. Which, you know what? Reckless driving. Why are they not being arrested for reckless driving? Endangering others. Because when I tell you more details about this, you're gonna... According to the couple's account, the altercation with photographers was prolonged and risky. Last night, this is what actually happened. This couple spokesperson explains. I need my coffee. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex and Ms. Ragland, that's Meghan's mother, were involved in a near catastrophic car chase at the hands of a ring of highly aggressive paparazzi. Now, goes on to say this relentless pursuit lasted over 2 fucking hours. 2 hours, people. Maybe they ran out of gas. That's why it stopped. This resulted in multiple near collisions involving other drivers on the road, pedestrians, and 2 NYPD officers. 2 people involved with this couple security said this was chaotic. The cars, there were vehicles and scooters, mopeds, electrical bikes, all just trying to figure out, follow them. They wanted to figure out where they were staying while they were in New York. At some point, the Duke and Duchess were able to switch cars during this chase. So, I don't know how they managed that. That just sounds harrowing. I gotta tell you. They just wanted to know where the couple was staying. And the paparazzi's vehicles, this is what's terrifying. The vehicles were running red lights, folks. They were just running these red lights. And there were pedestrians in the crosswalks as they were running them. And they also were driving into oncoming traffic on 34th Street in Manhattan, driving the wrong way down one-way streets. A member of the couple's security team, the Duchess and the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, said I've never seen or experienced anything like this. What we were dealing with was very chaotic. The public were in jeopardy at several points. This could have been fatal. The trauma right now, I can't even imagine Prince Harry. And I wouldn't be surprised this probably shook up his brother too. No matter if there's any kind of beef, they lost a mother because of aggressive paparazzi chasing their mother while they were in France. I mean, is this just a coincidence that this happened to them again? What triggered this group to get so frenzied and just go crazy? I don't know. What I do know is, fuck. Let's get into the tarot reading on this, because, right? Like, what? All right, folks, we will get into it. All right, everybody, welcome back. We are going to get into the tarot reading as I promised. Please remember that this is alleged and I do this for entertainment purposes. Right now, I really get a sense of feeling Diana Spencer, Princess Diana. It's like she is protecting over them, and guardian angel. She's always around, trying, and I really get a strong sense, of her presence in helping them. Yeah, here's the Three of Cups, and this is, you see the people up here with the cups, and you see this woman drowning under the water. Oh, wait, forgot to do that. At least I remembered, from the beginning, right? You see the card, okay? All right. The Three of Cups makes me wonder what the heck, because usually that's teamwork, people working together. And so I'm getting a strong vibe that yeah, in this deck there is definitely conspiring to get something done. Now the Eight of Swords here is reversed, and this is about overcoming obstacles, okay? I really see this as becoming, freeing oneself. They managed to get away, which is a miracle, because they were being tracked, okay? Now, the Ace of Cups is usually the start of something. Has a lot to do with intuition and spirituality, and I really think, yeah, there is like something going on. So there was somebody whom very powerful he is. In this card you see him sitting on a chair that's like a throne and the cups, and this is somebody whom very powerful person overseeing this incident. He was working with them. Seemed like money. The Ten of Swords here is reversed. They've hit a point with Harry and Meghan of, we got by this time. It just can't get worse. We have got to persevere. They're going to take, there's going to be some strong actions they're going to expect take. The police should have done more, I think, in this chase. I think maybe they were scared. You know, what do you do when something like this? And that's something that's got to be addressed. And I think it's going to be addressed because people are going to connect what happened to Harry's mom and seeing what's happening to him. And that is scary. I can't believe there were no arrests. Those paparazzi, they need to get their asses in jail for what they did. Okay. So the Page of Wands is down here. So someone's trying to start up something again. The Page of Wands, there's complications. There's conflict. Okay, there is conflict. Someone is really mad. I think there's someone around them that I think paparazzi are going to target to try and see if they're a weak link. Okay. That is the Empress, and she is reversed. Okay, what I see here, this is... Okay, I'm going to spill out what exactly I am seeing. You know, just, I'm going to cut the bullshit here, and because we're looking at the new King of England right here, motherfucker. We're looking at his mother right here. And we're seeing that there was something planned, and I'm thinking with Diana. And it's a secret. Okay? Harry knows this. They're trying to scare the fuck out of him by having this. They think they're free, but they're not. That this car chase is like a warning of, you know what happened. It can happen to you too. It was supposed to happen. You know, it's like, You've been warned. You betrayed us too much. The negativity that Prince Harry was getting from his book. Look at me. That was a targeted attack on his personal character. I don't care how much money you fucking have and how much you don't. A person can have trauma in their lives, can be mistreated, neglected by their family. And it sickens me when people try and say, well, he had all this money. No, he was living in prison. You know, he was confined in that palace. It wasn't freedom for him. It's probably why he was attracted to Meghan. And here she is. She is a mixed race, right? And boy, that pisses off all them little racist bitches over there. Let me tell you. And that's what's spreading the hate. They want to see them broken up, the family destroyed, and this is social media contacting. They're using the paparazzi to exploit them and to try and cause harm. This reading is pissing me off so much. Oh, I'm angry. I am so mad. Yeah. Well. I feel glad that I just got it, just spit it out there. I'm going to pull out the Lenormand deck. See if there's, I want to, you know, they're children. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, here's the sun in my Lenormand deck. This card 31, you know, the sun can represent things as success. It can be strength. It could be things illuminating positive outcome, good fortune. So that they were definitely being protected spiritually in this chase, and I think we're gonna get more information. God, my eye is twitching. This is really hard. Yeah, there is a crossroads going on here, a contract being made, and I think a decision to be made about where they're going to be for her home. Sorry, I'm not explaining the cards like I usually do because things are just flowing so fast. They have good luck, very good luck in whatever decision, and because someone's trying to punish them, someone here is trying to punish them for getting married. They want to punish them for getting married and changing their home. This is, wow. Holy shit. There is a book with secrets. Look closer to it. You'll get more information because there's a lot of deception and confusion being found all around. And I think that book could be the book that Harry wrote. There's more to it that people are not seeing. Yeah, so I don't think there's really much more reading I could need to do on this. I think we got right to the punch. Got it. It just, I'm praying for that family. There's a lot of heartache. Why did Camilla just pop in my head? Don't trust her. And it's not just because, well, she was committing adultery and got married, but there's something, she holds more power than we're being led to believe. I see an Epstein connection. This is scaring me, okay? She has a lot of shady dirt. she can manipulate things because of all the information she's gotten. It's like, you know, Prince William's brother, who we know hung out with Epstein, and I think she learned more about that. She must have known Max, Ghislaine. I forget how to pronounce her name. Maxwell. May she rot in jail. There's a lot of fishy, shady shit, and I think they're afraid that Harry is going to keep exposing things. And the more he reveals, people are going to be digging in more and finding out more. They're afraid of what doors he could open. It's like Pandora's box is what I'm seeing here. But there's hope. There's hope, folks. Yeah. So, with that being said, folks, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up. Comment on what you think about this reading and what you think about what's going on. You know, I love you all. I do. I do. And just remember, be kind to yourselves. Be kind to others. And I'll see you around next time.